Hi friends, welcome back to our channel AK Unboxing and Experiments. So friends, today we are going to unbox a new mobile stand. So let's go to the video. Here we can see this complete equipment about the stand. So here we got one stand in this box, and in this box we got one light for the stand, guys. So now coming to this, we will unbox this right now. Uh, let's open this box. And when you open this box, here we can see this one mobile clip for this for mobiles. It will fit for any mobile, friends. And also this is the stand, I think. Yes guys, this is a stand. And coming to this box, we will open this box now. So now here we can see another box in this box. Okay, now we will open this box. So when we open this box, here we can see this light, friends, and keep this box aside. And in this cover we get one light. And what is this? It's a remote, guys. I'll explain about this afterwards. And here we can see light. So friends, now coming to this stand, it is very strong and completely made with iron and plastic. These these are made with plastic, and this is completely made with iron, friends. It is very strong also. And coming to the light, it is completely made with plastic, friends. And here we can see this button control for this light. And this is see, here we can see this power on and off. Yeah, here we can see the power on and off button. And this is light brightness increase and light brightness decrease, friends. And here we can see this button. This is the button for light exchange, friends. Here we have three lights, white, two lights only, friends, white and gold, I think. Yeah. So now we will check how much height is this, I mean this stand. Okay, so let's go. So friends, now we will keep this light to the stand. So friends, here we can see this screw, right? So with the help of that screw, we can keep this light easily. So like this we should keep the light, and we should take this wire properly outside. So to open this stand, first we should take these three rods outside from the pole, and we should drag this down like this. So then it opens. So friends, this rod contains three positions, and this is the first height position, friends. And for the second height position, we should lose the screw, and we should drag this pole up. And this is the second height position, friends. For the third height position, we should lose this screw again, and this is the third height position, friends. Okay, so friends, these are the three height positions of this pole, I mean of this mobile stand. Okay friends, this is the complete height of this mobile stand, and it is nearly up to 6.5 or 7 feet height, friends. Okay friends, here we can see this. Actually I forgot this about this, friends. They gave USB connector for this light, friends. So now I will connect this into this connector. So here we can see this. When I on this switch, the light blinks in blue color. Before only I explained about these switches, buttons, right? So now I'll off these switches. Now we can see this, friends. Now I will on the light. Yeah, see, I on this light. So this is the dark mode in this light, friends. Now I will decrease the light brightness. See, now I am decreasing the light brightness with this button. Now I am going to increase, friends. Again I am going to increase the light brightness with this button. So now I am going to show you another light, friends, with this button. So here we can see the white color, and even this also we can decrease the light brightness. It is dim color, it is in dim. And now we will increase the light brightness, friends, and again another color, and this is the dark gold color, friends. Even for this color also we can increase and decrease the light brightness, friends. Now it is in dim color, and again it comes again to the dark color. We can change like that with the help of these buttons. Okay friends, before I forgot to say about this another stand. So if you don't need this light, friends, we can detach, we can take this light outside from this stand and this wire also, and now keep this light away. And now coming to this stand, as usual, how we kept like that light, like that only we can keep this mobile stand also, friends. And this is the stand without light, and for this also we can keep a mobile in this space. Okay. So friends, before I forgot to say one thing, the actual price of this stand was 850 rupees, friends. Before I said about this remote, right? So this remote is nothing but, first of all, you should on Bluetooth in your mobile. So I am Bluetooth in my mobile, and you should on this button in this remote, friends. When you on this button, here we can see this blue blinking, right? And here we can see the naming AB Shutter 3. So when you press on this, when you pay this button remote, it connects to my mobile. So now when you open camera, with the help of these buttons we can take pictures, friends, like this. So when I press this button, my mobile will capture pictures like this, friends. Okay. So friends, this is the complete demo of this mobile stand. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel AK Unboxing and Experiments. Thank you for watching.